Alright guys, good day. So let me show you guys. After you click the link, so right there will start the link. You click the link, then enter. So sorry, my network is kind of slow. So let's see. Then you have to scroll down. Make sure you scroll down. Then you have to scroll down until you get to where it says uh, at this end. You have to put in your email, put in your email and password. So right there, I'm going to put in any email of anything. I'm just going to put any email, put any password at all. So just trying to teach you guys. Then I agree. So if you're in Nigeria, you leave it. If you're not from Nigeria, you can select from here. So you click sign in and let's just wait and see. So and then you click OK, start trading, and then the platform is going to open. This is the IQ option platform. So let's just wait and see how it opens. I'm sorry, my network is kind of bad. Okay, yeah. So click OK, and right now it's showing you your demo amount. So this is the real account in there. Okay, so this is the IQ option. This is how the IQ option looks like. So very easy. So all you need to do here on the setup, you can see it's showing binary. You can switch right there. There's the BLITZ. And then the ICE ID, the asset now will be on BLITZ. You can set your time right here, your candle right there. Then set your candle timer to any candle timer of your choice. So what you need to do next is to come over to verify your account. To click at here, but on your phone, on a mobile phone or Android phone, any an iPhone, it will be showing this end will be showing here. It will be showing just like this. It will be showing just like this. This kind of chart layout will be shown here. So you have to click it, and once you click it, then it's going to show you this end. So you click it, and once you click it, this is what it's going to do next. I'm sorry, it's still loading. So and then, okay, what they're asking me to do now is to confirm the code from my email. So you go to your email, then you confirm the code, and once you're done, you can. For me, I don't know the code because I'm just guessed. So you put in your first name, last name, date of birth, then click if you are in US, click. If you're not, don't just fill this. Remember, you only check the dates first of all, the day you were born, the month, date, and the year, and make sure all these details are the same details you used on your ID card that you're going to upload. You can upload your NIN ID card, plastic ID card, your international passport, your driver license, your voter's card. They're all allowed. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. God bless you. I hope you guys understand everything.